How to fix Roblox error that says the number of items you don't own in this outfit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're getting the error number of items you do not own in this outfit, don't worry, it's a common Roblox error. So today I'll show you how you can fix it quickly. So what exactly does this error mean? So this error appears when you try to wear a saved outfit that includes items that you have traded or you have deleted and Roblox has removed. So basically the outfit is trying to load items that you no longer have. So in order to fix it, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account first, and then tap on the avatar option in the left hand side of the screen, which is between friends and sandbox option. Tap on it. Now select the outfit that is giving the error. Once you do that, click on edit or manually remove items by deselecting the items that you don't want to keep. If that does not work, rebuild the outfit from the scratch using your current inventory and save it as your new outfit. And if you sell or lose an item, update your outfits to keep them working. So I hope this helped you fix the outfit error. Hit the like button if it worked for you and subscribe for more Roblox quick fixes. So let me know in the comments if you want help with the another error. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.